Here we got my recumbent bike project for the winter of 2008. Basically it's just a bike that I scrapped, and then I had some scrap steel from a clothes rack that I built the frame with. As you can see, the chain's just there for looks right now. Did the welding with 110 volt flux cord wire, which was a little hot for this kind of metal, but turned out pretty good once I got the hang of it. The seat is temporary. That seat is for a exercise equipment, and that's an old mini bike seat turned sideways right there. That's usually what I'm doing, is building mini bikes. Front tire, same as the back, 26. Got the brakes on. Basically what I did was I just welded on a extension to the handlebars. I gotta clean up those welds. But it turned out pretty good. Boxed it in. Sealed it up pretty good. And then the pedals. Kind of did like that. Everything was just from mind to hand. You know, I didn't really have a clue what I was doing. And I should be riding it soon. So far I'm just going to use the rear gears. The front gears I'm going to keep either, you know, on one of the sprockets until I engineer a way to get the derailleur, re-railer hooked up there. But so far so good. A lot easier than building mini bikes, which is my passion.